To check your transaction history on Robinhood, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app and find the information you need. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Go to your account. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings and information. Step 3. Access the history section. Scroll down to find the history option. Tap on it to view a detailed list of your past transactions, including buys, sells, and dividends. Step 4. Filter your transactions. If you want to narrow down your search, use the filter options available. You can select specific dates or types of transactions to find exactly what you're looking for. Step 5. Review transaction details. Tap on any transaction to see more details such as the date, amount, and any fees associated with the transaction. This will give you a comprehensive view of your trading activity. Now you can easily check your transaction history on Robinhood. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you stay informed about your investments and trading patterns.